Even when he is embarrassing players like Wesley, smooth na smooth panoorin.
Super smooth.
Yeah. In fact, it's a different level of smooth. Smooth. Diba?
Smooth.
Smooth na smooth. Diba?
Smooth na smooth.
Ganun katindi. And the effortless talaga, which is kind of part of, yun nga, why masarap siya bigyan ng moniker. Kasi, I get what you're saying eh. May mga ibang player, kaya yun, pero parang hirap na hirap. Alam mo yung parang labas-litid yung just to become acrobatic, diba?
At that time kasi, you didn't see that coming from other players in college.
No. Marami acrobatic. Diba? Marami mga tubid na kalawit, rebound, mga bumubuka ka na ganun. But iba yung, di ba?
And don't forget the ankle breaker before he gets to the
Yes,
rim. Diba?
yes.
Yun pa yun,
May
diba?
setup yun.
Yung guard na
Oo.
hulog na.
May setup yun. That's why my favorite is the pull-up. Kasi yung pull-up niya, akala mo isasaksak niya. So nadapa ka na nga from the crossover. Tapos hahabulin mo pa para palpalin sa layup. Pero hindi. Pull up pala. Tapos yung pull-up pa niya, suabe. Super smooth.